Hi and welcome back to this channel. My name is Roman and in this video I'm going to show you how you can build a task manager Notion template. And we will build this kind of system where you can plan your tasks and also categorize your tasks by areas of your life and track progress for each area of your life. And if you simply want to get a ready-made task manager Notion template, this Notion template, I will leave the link in the comments so you can grab it. And in return, I just ask you to like this video and subscribe for more Notion related content. So let's get started. For our task manager Notion template, we will need two databases, one for areas of life and another database for our tasks. So we can just go to Notion and press / and here we select a new database, inline database, and we can name it as areas. And we can add some heading here, let's say heading 3, areas of life. And for now, this will be it. And then we can add another heading, tasks, and we can add another database, another inline database, and we name it as tasks. And we can hide this database title. So we will have task name, date, checkbox to mark the task as completed. So we can just give it a name, completed, of type checkbox, and connect tasks to our areas of life. So we add a new property called area, and it will be a relation to our areas of life, and we make it as a two-way relation, and we set a limit to one page because one task is related only to one area of life. And for now this will be it. So now we go back to our areas of life, and here we have name, tasks, and we can add progress. And progress will be a formula, and it is basically all completed tasks divided by all tasks. So we can just add this formula, tasks.filter current.completed is true .length divided by tasks.length. Save. And now here we can display this bar, and we can keep this, and decimal places, let's say 2. Now we can add templates. So the basic idea would be that when we press on area of life, we will show all tasks inside that area of life. So we just go here, new template, and we can hide tasks from here, and we add heading, tasks, and just a table view of our tasks database, hide database title, name, date, completed, and we can edit view, hide area. We don't need to show it, we already know it. And we just add filter, so area equals to new page. And we can add some icon, let's say a folder or dashboard, and we just set this as default. So we have our areas of life, and we can now convert it to gallery view. Go back, and we show here name and progress. So if we just add a new area, let's say personal, we can see here tasks table being created, and we don't need to show this preview, edit view, layout, card preview, none. So now if we add some tasks, let's say task 1, date, today, area, personal, 0% progress. So if we complete this, 1. Okay, edit view, properties, progress. We don't want to divide this. And here, number format we show as %. And if it's not completed, 0%. And what we can do now is we can add more views. So if we just duplicate this and let's say we add here calendar and layout as calendar, and we show calendar by month or by week, and we can show more properties, let's say completed and area. So for planning, and this we can name it as all tasks. And we can add, let's say, another, we can duplicate this, duplicate, and let's say not completed, filter, completed, unchecked. And we can again duplicate this, completed, checked. And now if we mark this task as completed, we will see it here and not here. So yeah, this is how you can build a simple task manager Notion template where you can categorize your tasks by areas of life and track progress. And one thing you can do here is edit view, layout, and open pages in side peek. So now when you press on this area, you have area on the side and not in the center. And if you want to get this free Notion template, you can grab it in the comments. And thank you for watching this video. Hope it was helpful.